If you want to set photo as always on display theme on the OnePlus Nord CE5, just go into the settings. Now you will have to go into wallpapers and style, and over here select always on display. So as you can see over here, we can put the text and the image, or we can go with this image over here. So as you can see here, we got only the default one, but when we click here, we can actually pick the photo from our gallery. So select your photo, and now as you can see, you can also customize it. So you can pinch to make something bigger or smaller. You can also add rounded corners. You can also blur your image a little bit, so I'll get this kind of the effect. And over here you can also change the color of your clock. Now I have to make some correction. There we go. Click apply, and now when you lock the screen, you will find the new always on display theme.